can move on to the day.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay, hi.
So hi, CY.
Ray.
Ray.
Okay. Okay. And
Ryan.
Ryan. Okay. So basically
We never asked my name, so
sorry. Yo, again.
Anand.
Okay. So basically when you come to a cafe, the machine needs about 30 minutes to heat up.
Once turned on, yeah?
Yeah, once it's turned on. So there are two switches.
Sorry, machine is
Need 30 minutes to heat up.
to heat up.
Right. So there's a main switch here.
Okay.
So turn on this one first.
Push down.
Yeah, just turn on. You can see the machine is not on.
Okay.
So there's another switch at the side.
Okay.
Right, there are two switches. Later you can take a look. You'll switch on the one that's outside.
Closest to us.
Once you switch on, the light will be on. Right. Technically, once you switch on for 5 minutes, this will heat up already, but it will be warm. Right. So you can feel the croup head while it's heating up. Right. But once it's hot, do not touch it. It's burning. Right.
Okay.
So if you actually touch it, you can burn yourself.
Okay.
So be careful.
This part lah basically, yeah?
Just this part, as well as if you are steaming milk,
And the
then
steaming
this
part,
part,
okay.
right? As well as a water outlet, hot water outlet, right?
Right, how hot does it get?
92 to 94 degrees Celsius.
After long usage or instantly?
It may get hotter than 92, 94.
But the start off temperature is 92.
No, start off it's like a boiling kettle,
Okay.
so it will slowly heat up, right? It works like a kettle, basically. Yeah.
That's the reason why to turn it on.
Correct. Yeah.
It won't magically turn it on.
Yes. So which means to say, let's say you, example, let's say you start at 10, you have to come in and start at 8, 9:30. Then if you factor in the time to down in the shots, you need slightly longer than that.
So is it better when we walked in, straight first thing we turn on is
Yes,
the coffee
correct,
machine,
correct,
right?
correct,
Okay,
correct,
half
correct.
an hour
Yes.
lah, right?
Yeah, minimum half an hour. Yeah,
Ideally an hour.
yeah, ideally.
When you do your roastery,
Yes.
an hour. Because dining in the shops sometimes takes a while as well. So this is what
No, it's not yet. Yeah,
okay.
still cold. You can see it's still cold. Right?
Is there a thermometer there that
There's no
indicates?
thermometer.
No, okay.
Yeah, this machine runs on around 93 fix.
Alright.
This is a heat exchanger, meaning that it will tend to overheat a little bit. So before you make any coffee, it's always to do a flush before you proceed to make coffee.
The overheating thing will be here, it won't like affect like the plastic cups on top, right?
No,
It will be
the
hot.
cups are able to withstand the heat on top.
Like
There's
the
no
plastic
issue.
lids all, it won't burn.
It will not burn. It will not burn.
Okay.
There's a gap for about this high.
In between the, okay, sure.
So the boiler will heat up. You get hot, it will heat up whatever that's on top, barely, right? Yeah, so it maybe reach around 40 degrees Celsius. So it will not burn any of your cup. It will not even affect this.
Okay.
Yeah, right? Yeah, so now we just have to wait for a short while for it to heat up. Right? I should have, because I need to do this step.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I'll pause. Yeah.
Coffee cups at HQ. but
Okay.
They're about, I think the hot one's about 6 ounces.
Yeah, correct. Because the hot one
I
usually we
think
use smaller. We use like that, very
like
small.
this.
Correct.
Yeah,
And
so-
this will be quite, it's different because it's ceramic. It's different from glass.
Yeah.
Right. So one way to know whether the machine is hot enough, of course you can touch it, but you can barely touch it. Means it's probably getting ready. Another way is you can see there's a boiler pressure here. Yeah, this boiler pressure should slowly go up to about 1 to 1.5 bar.
Then it's ready lah.
Then it's ready. You can see now it's rising up.
So in between. Yes.
Yeah.
So there's a pressure over there also. So
Correct.
once it's between 1 to 1.5 inch it's ready.
Yes.
It's heated.
Yes.
Yeah.
Once the pressure reaches 1 to 1.5.
1.5 bar, slightly below 1.5. Usually that means you can see now it's slowly going up.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is what we call the steam boiler pressure, which control the temperature of the steam. This is what we, it's a classic Italian pressure, which is around 10 bar, 9 to 10 bar of pressure. That means that's the pressure we extract the coffee. So you'll not be over. I've pulled some shots yesterday, which is pretty tasty. So it should be good. We'll taste some coffee later. Right. Yeah, it's getting hot. So still not hot enough. So technically within 10 minutes it should get to temperature. But the machine usually will fluctuate, so you need to let it steady first. Yeah. Once the machine is getting ready, you can switch on the grinder. The grinder only has one switch here. Right, this grinder you do not have to turn off the main.
Okay. So this is already on.
Yeah, this one is already on, right?
Okay, yeah, it's on.
So this hopper cover, please make sure it's closed all the time. Right, this button here at the side is only on off. So once you turn on, yep,
So turn to the back.
correct, and then you will see the logo coming out. Yes, this is the touchscreen one. So you have to grind coffee, you have to touch and then control from it, right?
Do we have to manually measure or just calibrated?
We will be using a scale, but this is a time-based grinder, which means it will not be very accurately every time, right? So we can, while we wait for this, we can see how you actually dial coffee, right? The coffee ground that we're going to use is around 17 gram.
17.
Yeah, we will be using 17 gram. Anything below 17 gram, you have to dose a bit more, right? So normally our underdose means our dose slightly lesser than what is required. And you can press the hand button to dose a bit more. So for example, correct. So for example, now we will be dosing directly into this cup, right? We will not dose directly into portafilter. The reason being is you'll make your bar very messy after a while. So, which means to say your portafilter should always be locked up here. When it's not in use, always put inside the group to heat it up, right? So now we'll measure, always measure your coffee ground. So now we have to tell the weight. So now it's 0. So whatever coffee that you grind is whatever that you measure. So now, I believe now currently it's at 9 seconds. So we'll do a test round first. So put it there. Yeah, it's 9 seconds.
Oh, sorry. So that one will always be inside the machine.
Correct. Yes.
So this one is just to measure and you pour into that.
Correct. I will show the process shortly. So right now we will measure the coffee ground. So you can see this is 18.9. Right. So 18.9 is above what we are dosing. So we do not waste this ground. We'll get maybe a small little cup, like a shot glass. Yeah, can I just borrow a dry shot glass? Yep. Yep. Okay. So the ground can be recycled within the day. Right. So a spoon as well. Yeah. So you need a spoon and a glass to contain it. Yeah. It'll be good if you have a teaspoon. It'll be smaller, right? So now we'll scoop up, right? So we'll make sure that it's about, now it's 17.8. You can see a lot we scoop up, which means I need to adjust the time from here, so that we don't have to do this all the time.
I have a question.
Yes.
Why are we not dosing 18? Is it
Okay, 18 is a school textbook answer, right?
Yeah.
So I'm a roaster. I roast coffee, so I know by dosing how much can pull the same quality of coffee out. If you can pull same quality, would you pull 17 or 18? In a business perspective, of course 17. We save costs, achieving the same results. That's the reason why. 18 is a textbook answer, right? But it's not the perfect answer for business. Yeah. So now 17.4. If it is maximum 17.3. So we keep it here. We do not throw this. So let's say we underdose. Instead of pressing it, we can scoop. Go in, right? So now 17.3.
One shot is what? 17?
17 maximum 17.3 gram. So it will be between 17.0 to about 17.3. Do not go under 17, right? Do not go above 17.3, right? So now it's very hot. You can see the pressure now has achieved about 1 bar, right? Another way to test is to switch on the steam. The steam is ready, right? Which means it's good to go, right? So now we can start to pull shots. So first shots of the day, we always throw because of the ground that's being caught up here since yesterday. So this will be the unfresh ground, which should already be pre-grounded. So, but I will not waste this shot. We'll do a test, right? So now, take out the portafilter. You need a dry cloth. Okay, good. Yeah, so the dry cloth is always to clean the portafilter, so that it's dry, right? And once it's dry, you can transfer this over here. Turn it over, right? I have this so that you don't have to damage your table. So put it here, right? It's really level. If it is not level, use your hand to level it, right? Then use a temper. This is already level calibrated. So you just put on top, you hear the tug, it's done. You don't need any force. It's consistent every single time. But this surface, make sure it's free of water. Sometimes you may catch coffee ground. You may want to get a brush, like a paint brush, to clean it off. Right, so this is daily maintenance, we'll do it later. Right, so now it's done. We lock out the portafilter. Before we do it, sometimes you leave the machine on for quite a while, so it can be very hot. So it's always good to just flush it quickly. Right, just do a quick flush and then you pull shots. So let's say this is the first shot you're going to dial in the morning. We have to measure. So we'll be using this to dose. Okay, this scale has got a timer as well as a weighing function. Hang on now. Okay, so now it's 0. We will be doing programming for this machine so that we do not have to weigh this all the time. Right, so right now the first shot is not going to be accurate. So I'm going to use manual shot. The top button is manual button. Manual button means you have to turn off, press once, and then press again to turn off.
Okay.
So it also gives me a rough idea how long this shot is going to be. Right, so I'll start the time. It's too fast. So we are achieving in okay, I don't know why the time stopped.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, we are taking about less than 20 seconds to achieve around 42.7 grams of coffee. But in textbook answer, you will throw this shot away. But as a business, we will taste the coffee. So can I borrow more shot glass?
Just take it.
Just take a few. Yeah. Because we will need to calibrate the taste among ourselves so that we know what is good and what is not good. So this is a fast shot, but does fast shot means it doesn't taste good?
What shot is it?
It's a fast shot. You can try. The acidity is a little bit higher because the shot is too fast. Right, so I will pour in fresh coffee. So you can see this coffee bag is always sealed. Do not leave this open when it's not in use. I will,
End of day operation.
yes, we will put this back. Yes. So there's a lock here. Push in, and then you can pour the rest.
And what about the leftover grind one? It's like end of day, what do you do then? You just show
Actually, this will be filled if the business is good, right? This will be filled, so you have to dump it. So just dump it to the.
as in like this one, this. Yeah.
End of day, throw this away.
Throw
away,
okay.
correct. We don't use this the next day. It's no longer fresh. Yeah. So now I'm going to dispose this. So you will need. That's when you need a wet cloth, right? Because you do not want the coffee to drip all over the place. So you will cover. Lock it. Usually it's quite clean, right? Clean it, and then make sure there's no coffee ground. Then once you are done with the shot, do a quick flush again to clean it off. Then it's ready for the next one. Okay, so this is so now I'm going to go through another cycle because that coffee could be yesterday's coffee ground, right? So it's going to be fast. So now I will do the same. I will again dose the coffee. Same thing. This is you only do this once in the morning. So usually the morning one is the most critical one. Yeah, which is called dialing in the shots. So we'll do again. Consistently around 18.6, which means we'll reduce the time later.
Take out to 70.3.
Correct.
Checking what is the output volume? Is it
Output we target around 35 to 36. Yeah, it will still be around 1:2 ratio. So same thing, it's wet, haul it away. Use a dry cloth, dry. Right, turn this over. You can see now it's slightly higher. Make sure your hand is dry. Lock it.
Would the timing be around the same, about 25 to 30?
We will aim 20 seconds.
20 seconds. Got it.
So quick flush. Always flush, right? Lock it up. So we'll measure again. This hot water. It's very hot, so be careful. It's about 15 seconds now.
15 is the window.
Let's try.
What's the window?
It's the taste.
The taste.
It's the taste, not the time. Oh, this is already sweet. You may pour this away. I'll try this again. It's already better. Okay, but if you like the bitter kind of espresso, sorry, we don't produce bitter espresso. We are specialty coffee. So we will produce coffee that's, you can see compared to the sweet, it's less acidic. Also because the machine heats up more. So even though it extracts at 15 seconds, but the taste is good. Means we go according to the taste, not according to the time. Right? So it's quite flexible. So the head barista's taste calibration is very important. So now we are calibrated. We know that this is our expectation. Correct.
Espresso taste is this.
Correct. So now we'll do a hot Americano and then we taste. Right?
Okay.
So we can pour this away. Wash. Same procedure. Knock out.
I
Yep.
got some here.
Yes.
And the pictures then
Okay, great. So make sure it's clean. Right, always flush. Before we pull shots, that's very important. You can put your, while you grind coffee, you may keep it locked up or you can actually temporarily put here for your convenience. But when you are not in use, always go back. And always clear this so that it's always ready for the next shot. Yeah.
sorry.
Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to adjust the grinder.
Okay.
We have been consistent grinding 18.6 gram, right? So now I want to dose less. So press the double cup and hold. Okay, sometimes you need to touch once for this to lit up. Then you press. Press it. Oh. This is what happens sometimes. That's why I always put a cup below. No, that's why I need to press and hold correctly. So this is wasted, you see. You see? So must press and hold. I think I didn't press long enough. So no choice. Okay, so now we'll reduce it to 8 seconds. Maybe 8.3, let's try, right? Then press OK. Right, then never mind for now, we'll just throw.
Got a brush there.
Yeah, we do it later. For cleaning wise, we'll do it later. So scale wise, same thing. This is timer. Press and hold to reset timer. Right. So tap once to click to tap. Right. So now it's tap. So now we check.
He's ready.
Huh?
No, because I'm blocking the
Oh, no worry. Yeah. My main purpose of this is, let's say we are duplicating this to other.
I understand.
Yeah. So it's easier for me. Yeah. Then I can send you the video. Then you can train for 17.7.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, so we only need to scoop out 0.3 grams, right? Yeah, so you can see it's fluctuating a bit. So I will just have to put out 0.2 grams. But we will try not to do this because this will slow down operation.
Yeah.
So which means if I reduce by another 0.1 second, you could probably hit it.
Perfect,
It's perfect.
8.2
Yes.
lor.
So this is the only thing you need to do every morning. After that, you don't have to use this anymore, right? For the rest of the day. Right. So same thing. Transfer over.
Okay.
Right. Make sure it's level. Tap it. Sometimes you may need to tap it. Then same thing. Must always flush, correct. Otherwise the water will be too hot. The problem with overheated water is the coffee will taste over extracted and it will be bitter and sour at the same time. Yeah, so just now the first shot, it was a bit sour, right? So now I'll be doing programming on the time so that I don't have to repeat this on, off. I can just on, you will automatically off, and while it switch off, I can do the milk steaming at the same time. Right, so press and hold the center button. It will start to blink. You can choose the output that you want, right? Yeah, so now it will go off quite fast.
Okay.
Right, so I'll do again. Get ready, stand by, press and hold. Right, so now I will start. I will press again to stop. I will stop at the mouth. I didn't tear this. Never mind. I know it's around 15 seconds. Okay? So now it is safe. Once it stops blinking, means the next time I press this, it will output this volume. So let's test what's the volume the next time. So for me, I'll taste this coffee. It's very nice. Now it's even better. It's getting a little bit more juicy. Sweet and juicy.
Yes, yes.
There's no bitterness. So even customer order espresso, we are proud to serve espresso because the coffee is good. It has a chocolate finishing, but the sweetness comes from Ethiopia. So if the customer ever asks what is the coffee that you're using, help to promote our brand a bit. You can tell them this is a blend of Ethiopian, Uganda, and Brazil. So the Ethiopian is the one that gave you the sweetness. Yeah. So now we do again. Same thing. We want to check everything is, usually it's quite dry. If it's not dripping, you can do a quick one. Knock it out. And then you can see, it's best to get a brush so that you don't have to use your cloth. Yeah. So buy a normal painter brush. Don't buy those nylon one. Buy those with actual animal fur. Because nylon overheat, it will curl. Right? So for now, we'll be using this. Yeah, get a brush. Yeah, so that you can brush off and you'll be a lot easier to maintain. Right? So we will flush this later. So now again, we will. So since we are still calibrating, so I need to reset all my scale. Let's test again. Okay. So it fluctuates by a few grams. So this is perfect. This is exactly what we want to get. So you can flush, and then you can start to prep. Yeah, put it back so that it's out of the way. Lock it up. It's already flush. So now we can test the program that we have just now. Okay. Okay, now. Espresso is very nice. A little bit short, so we'll do the program again. So it's indeed around 15 seconds. Okay, so now we can try this shot. I will reprogram this later. Right, so now we'll do a hot Americano. Right, so we will try this glass. Yeah, take a new one. Yes.
You want to try this? I'm scared this one.
No, just take that one.
We give a test. Water, we'll put some we'll top up with a little bit of cold water first. Yeah. So you can tap here. Can I remove this? Because the water is going to be very hot, so it's good to mix with a little bit of water. Probably half of it.
This is for
Then you-
Americano.
Yes, hot Americano. We're going to test. So try to hold. You can pull directly on it, or you can pull the shots here. We have to change the ratio a bit. Maybe we'll top out a little bit more hot water than cold water. Yeah, because this tap is cold, right? It's a cold tap, right? Yeah, so you can see it's only warm. So some customer may complain about this temperature. It should be not hot to the touch.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
This one is a bit,
This is a bit low. So that means we probably have used about 30% of cold water and then top it up by another 60%. This one we need to test. Yeah.
What do you suggest? We have the 6-ounce ceramic cup. Do you think that would be a better alternative?
If you have it, 6 ounce, I think for the hot Americano, 6 ounce may be a bit too little. Yeah. This cup is actually perfect for a hot Americano. Yeah, and also an ice one.
calibrate the water.
Correct. So that it's not hot to the touch, not burning hot to the touch. Actually, it's warm. You can feel it. It's warm. Okay, I have to drink it. I think the water is a bit too much. Yeah, you wanna try? Yeah.
You want to try?
Temperature is not hot enough, so you need more hot water than cold water. Okay, so now we dose again. We do an ice one. So hot one, I would suggest 30% of cold water, 60% of the hot water. I think should be just right for this cup. So for ice, we can fill about half a cup of ice. Can I borrow another glass? Yeah.
You have to put ice in the glass.
Yes.
Put ice.
Yeah.
Single, double.
No, we don't use a single. We just use this double and the hand. The hand is manual.
Okay.
So it means you tap it on, you tap it on.
Okay.
So we will memorize the time for this function, so that you don't have to redo this every single operations.
Okay.
We only calibrate in the morning, so it should be good for the rest of the day.
Okay.
Yeah, unless the taste is totally off, which is unlikely.
So every morning we have to calibrate. To this.
Yes, correct. Because the freshness of coffee will drop. So my suggestion is don't fill this hopper full with coffee bean. We will fill up to whatever we need.
Okay.
Yeah. So if we run fast, if let's say we predict that today is going to be fast, then it's fine. But if let's say we are not sure yet, it's better to fill half or even
Less
1/3.
than half.
Yeah. As long as it's covered, it's fine.
Okay.
But cannot be empty.
Okay.
Yeah, empty there will be not enough pressure to push the coffee down.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so we will tap.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
So same thing. There are two ways of doing this. Either you can pull the shot directly on this, then the coffee will be mixed nicely, or you can pull on a shot glass, and then you pour
So the
over.
water should be that much, right? For water.
Yes, water. Don't put too much water.
So like that is okay.
Yeah, it's about 1.5 cm below. Right. Okay. So now we'll grind the coffee. So it's already calibrated. This is like normal operation now. So we don't have to keep checking, but for now I'm checking because I want to see how consistent it is. 17.3. So it's plus minus 0.3 gram, which is within our window. So if I pull a few shots like this, which means subsequently I don't need to weigh this anymore. You'll be a lot faster in operations. Yeah.
But important is morning you calibrate.
Correct.
And the first one through, right?
First one throw.
First one through.
Yes. So now I will pull directly over because now I've already programmed. So I press, it will stop by itself. And you can press and forget. And you can do other stuff. And this will taste very good. As an iced Americano, it will stop. It's ready to serve, you can try. And the crema will be floating on top beautifully.
Should I just drink?
Just drink, it's fine. You are the one that's going to calibrate, so you must know the taste. It's good, right? Yeah. Okay. So you are okay with all the latte art, right?
I can't do like swan or
No need, just a simple heart, you know, all these things.
Simple
Okay.
Rosetta.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is we'll use the milk. We use the same cup to do a flat white or latte. We don't differentiate between flat white or latte. We just tell them it's a latte.
Okay.
Because we are down here, the specialty is not coffee. So we do not want to give them too many options. Then they will start to ask you questions. Yeah. So but just as tourists, you know, is there a lot of Australian tourists here?
Mostly when they ask us coffee, it's just like an office crowd when they come for lunch.
Okay. Ice latte.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tourists we do get lah, but
Okay. Mostly office crowd. Okay. Then should be fine. Yeah. Because Australians are very picky about coffee. And they'll say, I want flat white, I don't want latte. Yeah. Basically the difference is the milk form. Yeah. And usually flat white has lesser milk than latte. Yeah, slightly lesser. So again, I will flush. Well, I got it ready. So now I don't even measure, I will just dose. So can you help me get one more of this? Yeah, okay, sure. Thanks. So now I'm going to do without any measurements. So measurement is only for during the day, during the first time when you do calibrations. Subsequently, we will do without. Lock up, already flush, pull shots directly into this. Can I get ready the milk for me? And the yeah. Yes, will you use this? Smaller pitcher. Okay.
is there a particular milk that we have to?
I personally prefer Meiji. Because Meiji does not compete with the taste of coffee. Yeah, Milk Lab I've tried before. How much do you pay for?
I paid like $3.75. Usually we order Meiji.
1 liter.
Yes.
I think Meiji is more economical. You open an account with Meiji, they deliver to you.
We have an account.
Oh, you have an account with them?
Yeah, but our MOQ is quite high.
Okay.
About 12 liters.
Yeah. So you see how it goes. Yeah. Okay. So this is perfect. So when you steam milk, always purge. Yeah, make sure you purge out all the water. Right, this is hot, so be careful. It depends on the barista, how she want to do it. Right. So this is quite long, so it's quite comfortable to steam. It's a very powerful steam one. I can extract coffee at the same time. It's ready. Purge, always purge. Try to cover with a cloth. Otherwise, you'll splatter. Sometimes you'll splash all over you. Right? So this is more towards cappuccino. A simple heart will do. Then you can. This will be a cappuccino. It's perfect size. Yeah. It's warm, not hot. Will not burn you.
Okay.
So this is more towards cappuccino. You know how to froth between. You need to play with the machines to get the consistency of the froth. Yeah.
So like.
Yeah. So pretty much.
Okay.
Ice latte even easier. Ice latte, fill the ice, half cup of ice, top up with amount around the same.
Ice. Sorry, I need to ask this.
Yes.
So, ice
Yes.
and hot.
Yes.
Same size.
Same size.
No, other places they have like taller glass for the ice and stuff. Right?
I mean, it's really up to your presentation, but I find that this volume is just right. You do not want to give them too much. It's good to give them a little bit less,
Okay.
so that they want to come back for more. Yeah, sometimes you know like food.
Later you complain
Yeah.
it's diluted.
Yeah, correct. So we need to control the ratio. Yeah.
Okay. So all is single shot.
Double. We always pull double shots.
All double shots.
All double shots.
Okay.
What happens if the customer requests for single shot? You can do. So you will pull this aside. Then you have to waste one shot. But we charge double shot the same price as a single shot
Okay.
because the shot is wasted.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if the customer asks for triple shot, we'll charge them an extra shot at a double shot price, which is the espresso price.
Okay.
Yeah, which is 450.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 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 Okay. So generally, this is how you do the operations. Then during closing, right? You take out the bottle filter, right? Oops. Right. I will usually try not to rinse here, but you can do a little bit of just to rinse it away, or you can on this also to clean the bottle filter. This is during closing. Right? So during closing, this could be very dirty. This bottle filter will be very dirty. So wipe dry first. Right there, it's I think there is a blind basket inside the box. Is there a blind basket inside the box? Oh yeah, this is the one. Okay. Do not use your finger to pry. Use this to pry open. Twist open. Right, this need to be washed every day.
Okay.
So I brought the kaviza. So you will need a small pail that's big enough to soak this.
Oh, I have.
Yeah,
can bring
you can
the
bring.
knockbox,
Yeah, you can use the knockbox or whichever, as long as deep enough for this. Right, 1 teaspoon of this. Soak this and this together. About 15 minutes will do. You'll see all the coffee stain dissolve. Right, and then just take out and then flush.
You use hot water to soak.
Correct, hot water. Then now I will show you how we do back flushing. Means you have used this blind basket, knock it inside. End of day only. So now, yeah, you should try.
So what happens if I ran out of tablet?
You let me know.
Yeah,
you let me know.
Definitely. But let's
Yeah.
say again, we have smart people working with us. They forget to inform. Things happen.
1 or 2 days, even for a week, if you don't clean, it is still you are still able to use the powder to clean off. But if it is longer than a week, then I may have to remove the gasket.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that will be a problem, and the coffee taste will,
Go down. Okay.
yeah, it's like burnt coffee. Yeah. So I open this a brand new one. It's 900 grams. It's a lot. You shouldn't be finishing like in a month. No way. At least 3 months.
Okay.
Right? So now it's back flushing of the machine, meaning I have to clean the machine at the end of the day. Right? So you can use this. I will temporarily use this, like a teaspoon. Just half a teaspoon will do. Please do not. It's a waste. It's too much. Right? So from there I can also see whether the staff are doing a lot, right? You don't need a lot. If you do it every day, you don't have to do a lot. Yeah, so lock it up. Right. You will auto back flush by itself. Press center and then press the side. You will flush 5 times automatically.
This does what?
This clean the group of the coffee powder and all the coffee
So this
stain.
is every
group
night
lah.
at the end of the day lah.
Yes, only end of the day. Yeah, so what happens is that they will dissolve the detergent and they will push the water upwards.
Yeah, because the thing is covered.
Yes, because it's covered with all the coffee
The
stain.
water is dropped down the center pipe.
It will go here and then it will rain down. So press this, hold, and then press the center. Don't need to press, you just press the center and then press the side button. So usually I'll do 2 cycles. You can try, come. Press the center and then press this.
So this.
Press. Yeah, that's it. Okay. If you forget,
So 5 times are doing.
No, you will.
it will run 5 times. I will do 3 times. I will do 3 cycles.
We will do 3 cycles.
Correct. So I will each time they will run 5, right?
Yeah.
I will run 3 cycles of this.
So 15 times.
15. Yeah.
So we have to do 15 cycles.
The machine will do 15 cycles, you do 3.
I press 3 times.
Now only
Each
now,
time I
now
press
he's
is 5
doing it.
cycles.
Yeah, now
Yeah.
he's doing it.
Yes.
3 times.
No, we have to also do it 3 times.
Yeah, we do it 3 times. The machine do 15 times. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
So every night we have to, when it's closing, we have to press it 3 times.
Yes, correct.
One time you press is 5 cycles.
Correct.
So 1 cycle, 5 cycles is like how long roughly?
It's like maybe 30 seconds.
30 seconds and then after that press another
about a minute and a half
No,
lah.
this one after that ever got no sound already.
Yeah. Correct. You can see.
Ah, so it's
So you also see the powder totally dissolved. So remember, we do not want the customer to drink the powder, right? So after you clean, make sure you also flush.
flash the thing.
Flush a few times, right? You can use this button because it's automated. You press and you will stop. Press a few times, right? Now it's running for about 15 seconds, right? So each of these buttons is programmable by time. So let's say I can program 1. I think I'll program for you lah. 1, 2,
But
3,
for now we're using just the
4,
left one, right?
5, correct?
For everything.
So now I program for you. This is where you pull your shots.
Okay.
This is where you do your flush.
Okay.
Right? So now I press.
For now for now lah.
Yes, for now.
Time.
Right? So you will flush for 5 seconds every time.
Okay.
And you can also use it as when you want to prepare coffee. Just press and flush, and you can do other stuff. It's more automated.
So question, let's say the whole day I never use coffee. You still want me to do 3 cycles?
No need.
No need lah.
Of course, no coffee going, no need to do lah.
No, let's say 1 or 2 coffee,
You still have to do.
still 3 cycles.
As long as there's coffee ground inside, you need to clean.
No, but the cycle,
Same thing. Same thing.
regardless of how many coffee I sell.
Because I don't want smart people, as you say, to have different treatment at different setting. Let's do it consistently the same.
So standardized, 3
Correct.
times you press.
Correct.
15 cycles.
Correct. Yeah. After that, make sure the group is clean. You can bend down and see there's no more coffee ground. Turn off the power. Turn off the main switch. Turn off the grinder. Once the grinder is turned off, push this inside. Pull this out. And then put the coffee inside there. This remaining, you can use a spoon to scoop it out as much as you can. It won't be possible to remove everything.
That's why we have to
That's
flush
why
in
we
the
have to
morning
flush
lah,
in the
because
morning.
it'll be sour.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, alright? So that's it.
Big question.
Yes.
Let's say my order 9:30 last order.
Yeah.
But my smart guy decides 9 o'clock. Okay? 9 o'clock. Okay, I close the machine. 9:05. One coffee order come.
On still okay.
All still okay.
Yeah.
Time to because it's still hot one.
It will not cool down so fast one. And one more step I would suggest, as long as the smart guy don't do this, you'll be fine. Because now the boilers is still very hot. So if you anticipate customer coming in, don't do this step. But if you know that there will be no more customer, what I will do is switch on the power. I will release the steam to cool the machine totally down.
Okay.
So that the pressure will be released from the boiler. It's safer. Also to increase the longevity of the machine. So that the metal is not always in tension.
But this is already off already. Like.
Yeah, this is already off. If you on, the steam will
So now
continue.
The temperature is going down.
Yes, you can see the temperature and the pressure gauge all going
This
down.
will be a faster way to bring it down. Lah.
Yes.
my
So once
thing
you
is,
do this,
yeah, this happen, then if order comes, then that's it.
then that's it, you cannot serve anymore.
Wait long, long,
Yeah, then you have to. Yeah.
But then when you off this, you gotta, when you on back again, you gotta.
No, don't need because it's the same day.
Same day.
Same day. Yeah. So the beans you are using the same. So as long as it's the same day, we always get fresh coffee out. So it's fine.
Okay.
It's only overnight. The coffee is exposed to the air. That's why we need to keep the coffee back into the bag
Okay.
before we at the end of the day,
Okay.
right? So we try to scoop out as much as we can, right? So that we don't waste coffee.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you can see it's weakening. Remember to turn it back. Otherwise tomorrow it on, right? It will take longer for you to.
So once it becomes a very like weak already, then we can.
You can turn it off. Yes. You can also see that there's not much water coming out from here. Yeah. Usually the hot water here will be gushing out.
So the
Be
water
very
is
hot.
coming from a pipe, like, is it like?
Yeah, it's actually go through the filter and then pipe into the machine. So the machine is protected against So whatever water come out is actually filtered water.
So in the future, we don't need our kettle already, we can use hot water from there, right?
I would suggest you don't.
No, okay.
You know why? Because the boiler is this big, right? If you drain the hot water, they will fill it with cold water. And then the machine when you bring it up again. So
Temperature will, you know. Yeah.
I think if you take 1 cup, it's fine. Like a hot Americano, we do
1 liter cannot.
1 liter cannot.
So standardized, we don't use for hot water.
Yes.
Just boil the water.
Only use it for hot Americano.
You know, the farm really they show in the bar because they don't want to wait for the water.
Yes, yes. Yeah, try not to tap water from here. Unless it's for coffee.
Okay.
Strictly for coffee that we
Sorry,
use.
my right to the
Yes. Correct.
Let me get the video first and then.
Yeah, I'll send this video to you.
But this time I happen to.
Never mind, it's okay.
You edit
You can hear me talking.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's fine. I'll edit, I'll cut.
Okay.
Yeah.
Question, yeah. So in my previous cafe,
Yes.
at the end of the day, we
Yes.
soak the steam one with water.
Steam
Do you
one,
suggest?
you need to wipe down definitely.
Yeah, if it's very
Actually, if you wipe down, make sure there's no stain on it.
yeah.
Because there will be some, you may not be the one that do coffee all the time. So if you forget to clean this, it will kick up. And then you will have a white color film forming outside. It's very disgusting, right? Yeah. And when that happens, you really need servicing. So, can do a visual inspection. Is this stainless steel color, right? Even at the bottom. What happens is if you don't clean, right, there's the holes will be clogged up with milk. And then the steam cannot come out. Then you cannot steam milk anymore. Yeah. Right?
In case there's problems with the machine,
Yes.
we call you.
Call Bella. Bella will contact me.
Or there's no like a.
You can call me, but I will not be able to come down immediately. I can bring down a temporary machine for you to use.
Or you guys don't have a technician that will come on the spot to.
Because this machine we cannot fix on the spot. Yeah.
Wait, this is that day, lor.
Correct. Yes. But we can bring down, let's say I tell you I can't fix this machine now, right? That means I will probably need either to bring this back or I will set up a temporary machine, then I will come here try to fix it on the spot, if I can.
If you can.
If I can. But normally this machine is very easy to fix. There's only a few problems, which I don't foresee will happen that soon. Yeah,
Okay.
at least minimum 2 years onwards.
So you foresee it happening like just not now lah.
All machines will eventually break down. It's whether you maintain it properly.
Human also break down.
Exactly, we also fall sick. Yeah.
Okay.
So if it is proper usage, I don't think it will break down. Gasket, all these, every 6 months I will come and change.
You will change the gasket.
I have to. Now it's rubber gasket. I will change to silicone. Then after I change silicone, it will last for a long time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay? So very simple.
A lot of things to digest. But,
Yeah, but as a barista, I think she will know all the flow, or how we maintain the cleanliness of machines, everything.
You need to do a training for everyone again.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Because I and him will not be experts within one day.
Definitely.
Right.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow expect me to sell coffee. I'm like, okay, where's the machine? Where's the button?
You are inside the group chat, right?
Which group, right?
I have a chat with Bella. I do not know whether the chat involved. No, right? Okay. That means I'll edit this video. I'll send to Bella. Then Bella will dispatch to you. Yeah.
And
Then from the video you can do like a train. You can go back and see.
Yeah.
For example, how I set the timing. Press and hold, and then you will start to blink. Press to start, and then press to end. Then you'll record the durations.
day and
Right.
night on the train, I'll be looking at the video.
Okay.
Okay.
I think that's all, right? Remember to off the grinder. Grinder don't have to off the main switch, but the main switch here
Only
need to be
here,
off.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we need to turn off.
Okay.
Yeah. Just in case, it's a double check lah. So here off, you see the light off, but we don't want the electricity to run through
Yeah.
anytime. So off. Make sure you off the machine, off the main switch, then turn off the grinder. Remove, and then pour out. Right?
Just checking, right? For the coffee menu, will y'all be doing it or
It's already done.
it's already done?
Yeah,
so
it's already
just
done.
latte.
We will serve espresso,
espresso?
Americano, ice Americano, latte, cappuccino. Ice latte, finish.
Yeah, but some people.
There is another drink called espresso on the rock. Yeah, so we will charge them at 550 instead of 450. So it's basically ice, half cup of ice, you put espresso directly on top.
What about espresso tonic?
The one you have to discuss with Bella. Bella wanted to start something simpler.
Okay,
Yeah, there's a lot of things I think can play.
definitely.
Yeah.
I think my side.
I see the juice and even alcohol also can play.
I have a lot of coffee syrups as well.
Ah, okay.
So
Yeah. Okay. We see?
see how.
Okay. So this one end of day. Remember to soak this. So you can take out, put it back. Once it's clean, then all these of course must clean and soak and dry so that it's ready for the next day. So this I would suggest you put at like a toolbox for this.
Yeah, I should have put
And
a-
here also need to pour hot water, wash so that there's no stain. Correct. So machine wipe down and everything.
Can.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah. This one you can peel off later.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like
I
a
wanted to
protective
check
layer.
because
Yes.
I have a spare single basket. This is 58 mm, right?
This is a single.
This is single.
Yeah, this one is already single, but we don't use a single
We don't use
because the
that.
single, the shot it pull, the taste is not consistent. So we always use double shot. Yeah. So if let's say customer order single shot, we still put a double. Yeah. Then the shot you can save it for yourself or you can.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
Okay. Ask where do you get your coffee? Then you can say that. Yeah. Okay. Just. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. These are the new bags. I think I'll leave it here since I've already brought it. This is 1 kilo. So
Oh, this 1 kilo?
this is half a kilo.
Okay.
I pack in half a kilo. It's easier for you.
Okay. Yeah, it looks.
Yeah. And also this is a 250 gram hopper.
Okay.
So each time you can. I'll suggest maximum
Yeah,
half.
not too
Yeah.
much,
Don't. Just. Also end of the day it's easier for you. Yeah. Yeah. Let me know any other questions you have.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about you? Say some customers request a ristretto instead. Would you be against it?
It's up to the barista.
Yeah, because of me.
Yeah, it's up to you. Because the ristretto means you have to recalibrate the
Yeah.
machines. You have to grind finer so that the shot is restricted. But the problem is if you recalibrate this, then all the shots later, you have to calibrate back.
Oh, this one can't save 2 settings. Like say the single and the.
No, the ristretto is not about time. It's about grind setting.
Yes.
Okay, sorry, I teach coffee, so.
No, it's okay.
A ristretto is the same shot of espresso, but run in 1:1 ratio. So how do you produce the same shot? You have to grind it finer to produce ristretto. Yeah. So there will be, especially Australian customer, they want
Yeah.
magic. I would suggest don't do that. You cut the shot earlier.
Cut earlier.
Yeah.
That
Reduce the
method.
shot to about 1.5. Or you can do this, and then you pour maybe 60% of it. That will be about 1.5 shots. Yeah, so don't put all, maybe put 1.5. Yeah. So if they ever ask, then you tell them because we only have one grinder at the moment. I don't have to explain to them. Yeah, because then you will dig a hole for yourself to jump into. If they are particular, recommend them to our cafe. We will serve them. Because we are specialty coffee provider.
What's your? Oh,
We are at Seah Street, City Hall.
City Hall. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
No problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still recording.